Okay, the quotient rule, I'm going to do number 2 on page 68 of the workbook, which states y is equal to 2 cos 3x over x cubed. Okay. Now the rule states, if you look, it's given on page 67 in the workbook. The rule says if you want to take the derivative of this function, it is dy dx is equal to v times the derivative of u minus u times the derivative of v. Just make sure you have it this way around. It is very important. Okay, you don't first take the derivative of v. You must first write down v as it is, times the derivative of u minus u times the derivative of v all over v squared. Now, u is, we let u be equal to the top, the denominator, the 2 cos 3x, and we let v equal to the bottom, the denominator. And then we just take the derivative of both sides, of both u and v, so we'll have du dx is equal to minus 3 times 2 is 6 sine 3x, the angle stays the same, and dv dx is equal to 3 goes to the front, x, deduct 1 from the power, 3x squared. Okay, and then if we have to write it as the rule, we have dy dx. So we first write v as it is, and v is x cubed times the derivative of u, which is minus 6 sine 3x. The dot here is just multiplication. Minus u is 2 cos 3x times the derivative of v, which is 3x squared, and that's all over v squared, where v is equal to x cubed, and we square that. And if we just want to simplify that a bit, we can say we can bring minus 6 to the front, and then we can have x cubed, and then we can write the sine 3x, and yeah, we can have minus 2 times 3 is 6, and we can have x squared, the front, cos 3x, sorry about that, and that all over x cubed to the power of 2. You just multiply the powers. 3 times 2 is 6, and that is the final answer. As I said, you can leave it in this form. I just want to see that you can actually apply the rule, but if you want to simplify, you can as well.